The jiggly, wobbly Japanese cotton cheesecake is so flavorful. It is so soft and fluffy that it makes me feel like eating cloud. With only some simple ingredients, today I will show you the recipe with all the tips and tricks that guarantee the success of making this delicate dessert. First of all, very important when you're separating the eggs, you need to make sure that your bowl is super clean. The egg whites need to be pure or else you cannot whip it fluffy at all. So be very careful. Just a tiny bit of egg yolks can ruin everything. Right. Let's go to wash my hands. They're sticky now. Bye. Okay, I'm back. My hands are shining clean now, so I'm ready. When you melt the cream cheese batter, don't heat it on the stove. Steam it on warm water instead, because if you overheat it, the cream cheese might be splitted and oil separated. So, in a big bowl on top of the warm water pot, pour in the cream cheese, butter, and milk, and mix well until it's all melted. Then we put in the egg yolks. One by one? One by one, try to do it one by one. It's like... just keep on pouring. Flop. Just pour the whole thing. There. How about you whisk it and I sift it? It's snowing! Yeah. We need a very smooth batter, so we sift everything. Having a baking buddy by my side is super awesome. It's snowing. Oh yeah, it's snowing. Wait. Okay, now do it. Oh, sorry. Okay, now can you hold it for me to do? Don't hold it. We even strain the batter to get rid of all remaining lumps. It looks like I'm holding it two-handed. There. This is called straining. It's not called sifting. No, we don't sift it like that. But I like to. But we can sift it if we want. No, but it doesn't make the rest go down. Can you stop, please? Okay. It will scrape on the bottom. Of course it'll scrape on the bottom. Okay. Let me scrape it down. Got all that stuff. Now, before whipping the egg whites, we need to preheat the oven to 290 degrees Fahrenheit and grease the pan. So we're putting the egg whites on a tiny bit of warm water to make it a little bit warmer, because warm egg whites will make it a bit more fluffy and stable. To whip meringue, we start on low speed. Once we see big bubbles like this, squeeze in some drops of lemon. Now gradually increase the speed to medium. Then, when bubbles are small and fine like this, we can start pouring in the sugar little by little. When the sugar is in, we can turn on high speed and whip until soft peak, like this. Add this to here. I have to fold it. Wait, like this. I'll show you how to fold it first. No, we need to fold it a different way. When we fold it, we want to scoop the underneath to put it on top, and then the top mash down, like this. Scoop the bottom. Okay. Scoop the bottom. Be careful not to overmix the batter, or else it will pop the air out of your meringue and you will end up with a flat batter. Use a toothpick to pop big bubbles and smooth the surface. A baker needs to know your own oven, just like a seamstress knows her own sewing machine. For this delicate cotton cheesecake, it is very important you got a right spot of heat. In a too hot oven, the cake will crack and collapse. Too low temperature, the cake won't rise. You gotta know your right spot. Then it can cool down in the oven. Don't worry, you won't overbake this cake. This Japanese cotton cheesecake is so flavorful, so rich and creamy that we normally don't need more frosting. Instead, we can touch it with icing sugar. One, two, three, four. I'm so excited. Let's eat it. Yeah. You eat it first. Yum. A snowfall cake. Yeah. Yum, yum. I want to eat this tomorrow. I can eat this whole thing in a jiffy. Thank you for watching.